Morning friends, welcome to my channel Shinde's Chemistry Mastermind. So here today we are come with a new video and very interesting. So the topic is the explanation of nucleophiles and electrophiles in general organic chemistry. In many examinations such as NEET and IIT mains examinations, general organic chemistry questions are very expected, and in connection with this I have come with a new topic, that is nucleophiles and electrophiles. So friends, as you know that what do you mean by nucleophile and electrophile. So see here, nucleophile, so the definition is nucleophile gives a electron pair to other compound. So a species which gives a pair of electron to other compound or substituent, so it is called nucleophile. So here we have some examples. So these nucleophiles are very much rich in electrons, so these nucleophiles are called electron rich compounds. What we called it? Electron rich compounds are called nucleophiles. If we see the examples of here, so here OH minus, hydroxyl group, cyanide group, R3C minus, these are carbanions groups. These are all negative groups, are electron donating groups or electron rich groups. So that electron donating groups, either they are anions or neutral ions. Anions or neutral ions, they are called nucleophiles. So remember it, nucleophiles are electron donating groups, and gives electron to substituent atoms. So here these nucleophiles are maybe negative charged or neutral charged. Example, OH minus, Cn minus and R3C minus, carbanions are nucleophiles. If you see the neutral molecules, H2O water molecule, R3N and R2NH secondary amines and tertiary amines, these are also nucleophiles. So here remember that nucleophile is electron donating group, and being a electron rich compound, it donating electron to other substituent. Now secondly, if you come to electrophiles, so what do you mean by electrophile? So electrophile is electron accepting groups. It means takes electron pair from other compounds. So firstly, nucleophile is donating electron pair, but electrophile is electron deficient. So due to electron deficient, it accept electron from other species or compound. So such type of species are called electrophiles. So these electrophiles are electron deficient species. What we call it? Electron deficient species. So due to this deficiency, it will take electron from other substituents. So if we see the examples here, carbocations. So here carbocation is a electron deficient species. So here another example is now neutral group such as keto, C double bond O and R3CX. So here these all compounds are electron electron withdrawing groups. It means electron taking groups, so that we called it electrophiles. So electrophiles is nothing but takes electron pair from other groups. So these are called electrophiles. So here we have some another examples also. So see here, for nucleophiles, Hs minus, next ethoxy group, so ethoxy O minus and H2N minus, and here the amine, tertiary amine, these are all nucleophile. It means electron rich compounds. And whereas electrophiles are concerned, in electrophiles boron trifluoride, chloronium, and here CS3C plus double bond O and nitronium. So all these are electrophiles. Electrophiles means takes a electron pair from other compounds. It's called electrophiles. Okay. So here we have some examples of chemical reactions. In these general organic chemistry, we can come to understand. So firstly, we already know that in nucleophilic reaction, so how can we say that nucleophilic reaction takes place? Now see this one. So friends, now in order to know more about nucleophiles and electrophiles, we have to know about substituent nucleophilic reactions and electrophilic reactions. So here in nucleophilic reactions, earlier we discussed in my previous video. So here this in this reaction SN2 chemical reaction. So here in SN2 chemical reaction, so this is also called substituent nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. In this reaction, okay, if we see methyl bromide react with nucleophile. So actually we discussed that this nucleophile is electron rich compound, and it gives electron to other species. So this is a nucleophile, and nucleophile is initiating the reaction, so that this type of reactions are called nucleophilic reactions. Okay, so here the nucleophile is hydroxide OH minus ion, and it forms methyl bromide. It replaces bromine. Okay, it replaces bromine and form methanol. So here this nucleophile is donating electron pair to substituent. So this type of reaction is called nucleophilic reaction. So methyl bromide react with nucleophile and form methanol, and bromide minus is replaced by this nucleophile. So this is called nucleophilic reaction. So here we clearly know that nucleophile is electron donating species, right? Now if we come to electrophile is electron accepting species. So it accepts electron from other compounds or substituents. So see here in electrophilic reactions, so toluene is there. So this is arene. So this arene is react with halogens like chlorine and bromine. Okay, in the presence of catalyst, iron catalyst Fe plus 3 iron catalyst is used in this reaction. Toluene is react with halogens and form orthohalotoluene or parahalotoluene. So here this one, so chlorine or bromine, okay, act as a electrophile. Electrophile means it taking electron from this toluene, and participating in the reaction. So this type of reaction is called electrophilic reaction. So in this video we discussed what is nucleophile and what is electrophile, and these nucleophiles initiate the reaction and called nucleophilic reaction. If the electrophile initiating the reaction, it is called electrophilic reaction. So in next video we discuss more about these reactions. Thank you very much.